So, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will take our first topic of engineering drawing, and that's basic geometrical constructions. I should say that this is a very important unit, geometrical constructions. In this first unit, we will be taking some subtopics, round about 14 to 15 subtopics, and our first topic is to bisect a line. Rather, you may say to bisect an arc. I should add this also. Okay, fine. So first of all, we have to take a line. Let us suppose this is our line and this is AB. Fine. Now with A as center and radius greater than half of AB, that means this is A as center and radius greater than half of AB. You may take any radius, somewhat like this. Okay, you have to mark two arcs, one on each side of AB. That means one arc somewhat this side and one arc somewhat this side. Fine. Now with B as center and same radius, that means this is our B and B as center and same radius, we have to mark two arcs intersecting the previous arcs. That means like this and like this. Unfortunately that didn't intersect, so we would again extend that arc. Now we have couple of points. Okay, let these intersection be at C and D. Let it be at point C and let this point be D. This is a very simple technique. Now we have to join CD. You may use a normal scale even. This is a roller scale, not required. So this is your CD. So this CD is your, in fact, a bisector, rather a perpendicular bisector. You may follow, the same process with an arc also. We will take that also, nothing to worry. So I should write these steps with A as center and radius greater than half of AB, we have to mark two arcs, okay, one on each side of AB. So this is our first step. Then with P as center and same radius, this is very important, we have to mark two arcs again such that we have to mark two arcs intersecting the previous one. Okay, you may name it on C and D respectively. Now you have to join CD. Now the best part, CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Just take a look on it. Now we'll take our second topic to bisect a given arc. Let this be the arc. Okay. And this be the point A and B. We have to follow the same procedure, as explained just before, with A as center and somewhat greater than AB. We will take two arcs. With B as center and with same radius, we would counter that arc, and finally we have our points. This is our point C and this is our point D. So this is how we will bisect one arc. I hope it is visible. You just take a look. So this is how it looks. Okay. We'll move on to our third topic, and it is to draw perpendicular to a given line AB from a point P anywhere on it. This is very important. So our next topic is to draw perpendicular to a given line AB from a point anywhere on it. फाइन. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर टू अ गिवन लाइन. एक लाइन ए बी दे रखा है फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट पी एनीवेयर ऑन इट. उस लाइन पर एक पॉइंट पी है और उस पी पर हमको एक परपेंडिकुलर चाहिए. तो लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ लाइन ए बी and let this be the point P. Fine. अब करना क्या है? With P as center and any convenient radius R1, you have to mark two arcs cutting AB and C, AB at C and D. ध्यान से सुनोगे, ये हमारा point P है. What we have to do? We have to take P as center. मान लो इस center हम ले लिए यहाँ पर, okay? And we have to, basically कोई भी रेडियस हो सकता है. टेक एनी कन्वीनियंट रेडियस R1 अज्यूम कर लेते हैं और दो आर्क बनाना है AB को ही काटते हुए. मतलब इट शुड कट AB एट C and let us suppose at D, somewhat like this. तो पहले इसका नेमिंग कर दिया जाए. ये हो गया पॉइंट C, ये हो गया पॉइंट D. ध्यान रहे वी हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर टू अ गिवन लाइन. इस ए बी लाइन पर हमको एक परपेंडिकुलर चाहिए फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट P. यहां पर एक परपेंडिकुलर चाहिए. ओके, नाउ विथ C एंड D एज सेंटर एंड रेडियस समवॉट ग्रेटर देन द प्रीवियस रेडियस. इसका अर्थ ये हुआ कि अब की बार हमको यहां पर इस रेडियस से थोड़ा बड़ा, ओके, और C से और D से 2 आर्क काटना है. एक इस तरफ और एक उसको काटता हुआ इस तरफ. इंटरेस्टिंगली दिस इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. So I should write the steps. Steps are very important. With P as center and any convenient radius. Let us suppose R1. Okay, we have to mark 2 arcs. Okay, cutting AB at C and D respectively. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि ये आर्क जो आप कट कर रहे हो, मान लो P यहाँ पर होता, लेट अस अज्यूम P पॉइंट यहाँ पर होता, तो आप यहाँ पर तो आर्क काट लोगे, इस तरफ आप आर्क नहीं काट पाओगे. तो ए बी को थोड़ा सा और प्रोड्यूस कर देना, आगे बढ़ा देना. तो आई शुड राइट प्रोड्यूस ए बी इफ नेसेसरी. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, नाउ विथ C एंड D एज सेंटर्स, जैसा कि हम लोग अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बात किए, विथ C एंड D एज सेंटर्स एंड radius R2 greater than R1. This is important. अब की बार जो रेडियस आपको लेना है वो R1 से अधिक लेना है. ओके, तब ये इंटरसेक्शन हो पाएगा. यू हैव टू मार्क 2 arcs intersecting each other at Q. Let us suppose at Q. Let this point be at Q. Okay. Now we have to join QP. It is the perpendicular of AB. Okay. So this is how we draw perpendicular to a given line AB from a point P anywhere on it. I hope it is very clear to all of you. Just take a look. So that's all for this lecture. We'll continue further. Thank you.